Well, as a freelance teacher, I don't have so many opportunities to socialize with other teachers, colleagues. In the past, I used to travel to the UK and I participated in many teacher training courses. And when it stopped, I thought that happy times were over. But then 5 years ago, I discovered this bridge reboot camp. And I realized that I didn't have to travel so far from my family, that I could be here in Zaježová with other bridge teachers and other motivated teachers from all around Slovakia. And I could experience something similar, if not better. So I think this is an ideal place to regain your professional and language confidence, to rediscover your potential, to refuel your resources. And on top of that, it is a fantastic, tranquil place with delicious food. And of course, you meet a lot of new people, so you make new friends. This is my second course with the bridge, and I have to say that it's been my best experience ever.